Flip the Firefly lived in the beautiful rainbow forest, where every blade of grass was a different, cheerful color and the flowers whispered gentle, singing secrets. But Flip had a secret of his own. His light was a tiny, timid flicker, so tiny he was afraid to shine it in front of the big, bright sun bugs. He mostly kept his light tucked away. One night, under a sky sprinkled with marshmallow stars, the forest chief called an emergency meeting. "Oh, dear bugs and beetles," she announced, flapping her wings sadly. "The old Cloud Carousel is completely dark. It needs a brave light to touch its main engine and start spinning again, or the forest won't have any sweet dreams tonight." The Cloud Carousel was a magical ride that spun fluffy, pink, yellow, and blue clouds. But it was silent and hidden behind a wobbly, broken fence. All the bigger, brighter bugs were too busy or too scared of the spooky, rattling noises coming from the darkness. Flip felt a strange little mix of fear and excitement in his tiny firefly chest. A chance to help. He took a deep breath, and with a soft bzzzt and a nervous flutter, he flew towards the dark, silent area. As Flip squeezed through a hole in the fence, a small, grumpy spider named Grog popped down on a single silver thread. "Hiss! Go away, little flicker. It's far too dark for little lights here," Grog whispered, trying to sound spooky. Flip felt his tiny light dim with fear, but he remembered the silent carousel and all the missing sweet dreams. He pushed past Grog's web, his light shining as bravely as he could manage. "My light might be small," Flip chirped loudly, "but it's exactly what I have to share." Inside, the carousel was covered in soft, gray sleep dust. The engine looked so sad and still, it was a little heart-shaped copper gear. Flip landed on the cool metal, closed his eyes, and pushed his flickering tail light against the gear, letting all his light pour out. Click! Flip's small light made the gear whir. Slowly at first, then faster, the Cloud Carousel roared to life. Pink, yellow, and blue clouds began to spin, lifting the soft dust into the air like glitter. The music, a gentle, joyful plink-plunk, started up, and the whole rainbow forest lit up with happiness. The forest chief cheered the loudest. Even Grog the grumpy spider smiled a tiny, almost hidden smile and waved a small leg goodbye. Flip realized that even the smallest light, when shared bravely, can start the biggest, most magical things. He never, ever hid his tiny, wonderful light again.